GPT-4 is the latest language model developed by OpenAI, and it has the potential to change the world as we know it. With its ability to understand natural language with unprecedented accuracy and nuance, GPT-4 can write and translate languages, generate new content, and even engage in conversations with humans. This technology has the potential to revolutionize industries like healthcare, education, finance, and entertainment, allowing machines to take on repetitive and mundane tasks while freeing up humans to focus on more creative and complex work. Language barriers could become a thing of the past, and machines could write reports, emails, and even novels. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more advanced, we need to ensure that it's used ethically and for the benefit of all. But the benefits of GPT-4 are undeniable, and it's set to change our world in ways we can't even imagine. One of the most exciting aspects of GPT-4 is its potential to transform how we communicate and share information. With its advanced language processing abilities, GPT-4 could enable seamless cross-cultural communication, breaking down barriers and allowing people from all over the world to connect in ways previously impossible. But the possibilities of GPT-4 extend far beyond just language processing. It could be used to improve healthcare, by analyzing vast amounts of medical data and helping doctors diagnose illnesses more accurately and efficiently. It could also be used to enhance education, by creating customized learning experiences tailored to each student's unique needs. As with any new technology, there are also concerns about the impact of GPT-4 on employment. Some worry that machines will replace human workers, leading to widespread job loss. However, others argue that GPT-4 could actually create new opportunities by freeing up humans to pursue more fulfilling and creative work. No matter what the future holds, one thing is clear: GPT-4 will change the world. Join us on our YouTube channel as we explore the exciting possibilities of this groundbreaking technology and discuss its impact on our society and our world. GPT-4 also has the potential to revolutionize the entertainment industry. With its ability to generate new content, it could be used to create everything from movies and TV shows to video games and music. Imagine a world where a computer program could create an entire album of original music, or write a screenplay for a blockbuster film. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As GPT-4 becomes more advanced, we need to ensure that it's used ethically and for the benefit of all. This means taking steps to prevent bias and discrimination in the algorithms it uses, and ensuring that it's not used to manipulate or deceive people. But despite these challenges, the potential benefits of GPT-4 are too great to ignore. It has the power to transform our world in ways we can't even imagine, and it's up to us to ensure that it's used for good. So if you're excited about the possibilities of AI and the impact it can have on our world, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be exploring the cutting-edge developments in artificial intelligence, and discussing how they're changing our world for the better. Join us on our YouTube channel as we explore the exciting advancements of artificial intelligence and its impact on our world. From understanding how AI has come this far to discussing the future of GPT-4, our channel is the perfect place to stay up to date with the latest in AI research and development. Thanks for tuning into our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the exciting world of AI.